Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's make pumpkin powder. Fry an 1/8 tsp of fenugreek seeds or methi on medium heat. A 1/2 tsp of cumin seeds or zira. When fried, take them off. One tsp of coriander or cilantro seeds. One tsp of chana dal or split chickpea. 1 tsp of urad dal or split black gram. 1 tsp of sesame. One cup of pumpkin seeds. Few curry leaves. Ten to 12 dried red chilies. Grind to fine powder. A 1/2 tsp of salt is good for 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Pumpkin powder is ready. It can be preserved for many months. Thanks for watching.